Plastic, it's cheap, it lasts long, and it can be turned into any shape, but it causes lots of problems too. Let's look at some of them, and how we can fix plastic pollution. Plastic became popular in the 1960s, and since then its production has been growing exponentially. For example, in the year 2000 we produced around 210 million tons of plastic. And only 15 years later it has been 380 million tons, that is 80% more. This is a huge problem. Plastic covers around 1.6 million square kilometers of land. That is around the size of Iran. This land could be used for farming or be a forest, but instead it's covered by piles of plastic. Problem 2: Plastic in our food. There are 5.25 trillion macro and micro pieces of plastic in oceans. That is, 500 pieces in every square kilometer. Sea animals eat this plastic, and it eventually goes into our food. Average human eats about 5 grams of plastic every week. That is 260 grams of plastic every year. Plastic is also responsible for 4% of global greenhouse gas emissions. Okay. So how can we fix these problems? Solution 1. Recycle. Currently, country that is recycling the most is India at around 60%. Second place goes to South Korea at around 45%, and third is the European Union at 30%. The global average is 9%. That is very low. So we should recycle more. What else can we do? Solution 2. We need to use as little plastic as we can. There is actually a lot you can do to stop plastic pollution. You can cook more, which not only saves plastic, but also ensures you of what you eat. Basically, use as little plastic as you can. Thank you for watching this video.